Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into the topic product catalog. So grab a seat, hit the like button, and let's get started. So for the product catalog, you have to visit the CRM part. In the CRM, there is the inventory option in which the product catalog is displayed. You you have to click on the product catalog. So the product catalog in Bitrix has everything you need to manage your sales. Don't let the word product deceive you. There is a separate entity called service that you can use instead. Here you can see you can create the product, service, or the section part. To create a product, you just need to click on the create option, and here you have to write the name. Here you have to mention the name or the other details that you want to mention, or you can either create the field or select or hide the field from here. So there are custom fields in the product catalog. You can integrate with it with CRM and online store. You can also integrate it with online payment. So thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more content. Drop your thoughts or question in the comment below, and I will see you in the next one.